It is easier today than ever before to earn money passively with Amazon affiliate marketing. But what is Amazon affiliate marketing? Well, for those of you unfamiliar, it's simply the process of selecting any product that you want on Amazon, promoting it wherever you can, on your website, on your social media, and when somebody clicks on your Amazon link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. So why is it easier today than ever before? Well, it's because of this. This is the fixed standard commission income rate for specific product categories, which is just a fancy way of saying this is the commission rate for a specific niche of the product that you're promoting. As we can see here, it varies widely, but at the top is Amazon Haul. Amazon Haul is currently offering a fixed commission income rate of 25%. That basically means that if you're promoting a product on Amazon Haul that lists for $10 and somebody clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission of $2.50. Now, this may not sound like a lot for $10, but it's 25% fixed commission income rates. Comparing that to the 10% for beauty products, the 5% for digital media, and even less than that for other types of products on Amazon, this is a huge leg up for actually earning real commissions. And it actually makes it easier to earn more passive income than ever before, simply because of the fact that the commission rate is so much higher, meaning that the total price that you're promoting really doesn't have to be that much to make the same income you would 2 or 3 years ago. Amazon affiliate marketing is effectively about taking the eyes that are on you or your website or something you've built and redirecting them to Amazon, where people then make purchases. You get a commission for that. So how can you actually get accepted into this program, and how can you start earning real passive income? And really, how lucrative is it? Well, the Amazon affiliate program is actually called Amazon Associates, and it's pretty simple. You recommend products and you earn commissions. This is where you sign up, joining tens of thousands of creators, publishers, bloggers. You recommend products that either you like or you want to promote, and you get a custom link. You can then take that custom link and put it wherever you want, on your social media channels, on a blog that you've created, and when somebody clicks on that link, you earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. As we can see, this website is now actually outdated because you can earn currently up to 25% from Amazon Haul, which is Amazon's outlet store. It's their answer to Shein. The ability to buy lower priced products from their outlet that you would see on maybe Shein or Alibaba or other platforms, Amazon's direct competitors. It's all about redirecting attention. When it comes to actually making money with an Amazon affiliate account, you need to have two things. First of all, an Amazon affiliate account so that they approve you to actually go and create those links. Nobody can just go to a random Amazon site, take a link, and then start earning money from it. You have to get approved and accepted into the program. And two, you have to have real attention on you. That is going to mean that people are clicking on your links. Because if nobody actually clicks on your links, Amazon's going to actually close your account. Your affiliate account, that is, not your Amazon account that you use to order things. Just want to clear that up. Although it sounds pretty easy, it's actually easier said than done, because Amazon mandates that for the first 180 days after your account gets approved, you need to have 3 people make a purchase for your account to stay open. And there's no way to get around this. You can't buy it yourself from another account or have a family or friend do it. They know, and they'll be able to tell right away, and it's very easy to get your account banned. But the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have some place where you can actually promote these products. Have some attention on you, whether that's your social media or whether that's a blog, because you're going to have to send it to Amazon to even get started in the first place. Amazon has a long list of things that you actually need to do in order to actually get even accepted into the Amazon Associates program. The first thing is that they have to approve the website that you're actually posting. And at times, this means that you have to have at least a minimum of 10 pages or articles to even get accepted. You couldn't just have a one-page website, send that page to Amazon and say, hey, people click on my website, please approve me. Somebody's actually going to take a look at it, and they have to actually hit the approve button on you. That being said, once you actually do get accepted into the Amazon Associates program, the sky is the limit in terms of how much you can earn. It just may take a little bit of time, because the main thing here is that you want to actually get people clicking on your link. Getting the link from Amazon is the easy part if you already have some sort of established social media platform or website that somebody's going to easily be able to approve. But the hard part is actually making sure that you're going to get people clicking on your links. Now, if we take a look at this, we can see that the fixed commission is going to be 25% for Amazon Haul. Maybe that means you make videos about Amazon Haul and do under $20 tech gadgets, for example. They have a 10% commission on luxury beauty. Maybe you make a beauty blog and talk about all the latest fashion trends. that could be something that you actually make money on from posting those Amazon affiliate links. That being said, these are just the commissions for products on Amazon. There are actually a few other ways you can earn through the Associates program that don't even actually involve just promoting products. As you can see, there are special bounty events. These are ways you can earn a special commission income that's not typically within the regular bounds of the Associates program, such as if somebody signs up for a Prime free trial, you get $3. What this basically means is that, say you have a YouTube channel where you're talking about a specific show and you say, oh, and I watched it on Prime, and you talk about the link in the description. Anybody who goes to that link in the description and then starts that 3-day Prime trial, you get $3. Same thing with them actually signing up for a Prime paid membership. You get $3. If you do a Prime for Young Adults trial, $3. Prime for Young Adults paid membership, $3. These are special bounties that pretty much try and incentivize people to actually sign up for some sort of Amazon subscription. So it's not just about the physical products that they're purchasing, but it's also about getting them to sign up for actual trials. Audible actually has a $5 commission if you do get somebody to sign up for the Premium Plus free trial, a $10 bounty for if they sign up for an Audible Plus membership, and even a $25 bounty if they sign up for the Audible Premium Plus annual membership. And you can see here that there's so many different ways that you can actually earn, such as the bonus events that they have on right now with specific bounty rates, and trade-in programs which also have special commission rates. But the main thing is that you're mainly going to be promoting the actual physical products on Amazon. You just might be earning different commission rates depending on what type of products you're selling. Now, one thing I want to be clear about, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is not something that you can just start pasting your links everywhere and spamming them and people will click them and buy the products. You actually have to make content where the people who are watching the content, or the eyes that are on it, are going to see what you've promoted and then click in the description and actually make a purchase. The whole point of Amazon affiliates is to reward the people who are directing more traffic to Amazon and, by extension, directing more purchases to Amazon. I mean, Amazon isn't just going to give away money for free. No, they're going to make sure that they're actually rewarding you for getting people to shop on Amazon. So although this is a lucrative way to earn passive income, the hardest part is actually getting the attention that can get people to the Amazon link to make the purchase in the first place. If you're wondering why the Amazon Haul affiliate commission is so much, this is your answer. Because Amazon Haul is targeting a completely different demographic. Because this isn't something you would typically see if you're going to be marketing it to people, over the age of 50. This is clearly targeted towards the young, spontaneous spending millennials and Gen Z, people who are going to buy things on a whim like that. The same people who are buying tons of things on Shein in bulk. This is who Amazon is directly trying to compete with. So, how does this benefit you as an Amazon associate and someone who wants to earn passive income with Amazon affiliate marketing? Well, because Amazon is currently pushing so hard to be a competitor of AliExpress and Shein and all of these other low budget, crazy low prices websites out there, this is why they're offering such a high commission. So by promoting specific products from Amazon Haul, you have right now a really unique opportunity to earn a lot more of a commission off of a lot less sales. Now, if we compare this to the past, let's say you sold a $100 kitchen mixer and it had a 4.5% commission. Well, now you've made $4.50. So that's your commission on it. But with this new 25% incentive, now you can sell 2 products that are $10 each and earn $5. You can sell something that is a fraction of the price and still earn more of an affiliate commission than ever before. The products that you're going to see in here are a lot more of these crazy low prices. That's why they're offering a lot higher of a commission, because typically they're banking on the fact that those crazy low prices are going to incentivize people to buy a lot of stuff. So people may buy $100 worth of products from Amazon Haul, and you could earn 25% commission on that, which is crazy high, assuming that all those products were, as we talked about earlier, promoted in affiliate links by you. The biggest opportunity as an Amazon associate right now is really capitalizing on this high conversion percentage from social media short form content and the high commission rate that Amazon is currently offering for Amazon Haul. This means that if you're someone who makes content on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube Shorts or any type of short form media, this is a great opportunity for you to redirect people from the content that you talk about and talk about any relevant products to Amazon. And when they make a purchase, you get a much higher commission percentage than ever before. But the one thing throughout all this that you have to remember is that Amazon makes sure that you have to disclose that you are going to get paid. Whether in the description, whether in the video itself, you need to have some sort of disclosure somewhere that you will receive some sort of kickback when somebody actually clicks on your link. If not, Amazon may actually terminate your account. It has happened before. This also means that you can't hide that disclaimer anywhere, so you can't put like a wall of text that's completely gibberish and then put, oh, and by the way, I'm paid by Amazon. You can't do that. Amazon will ban you. Once you're banned, it's really hard to get unbanned. Fortunately, I've never broken that rule, so I've never had to worry about that. So at this point, let's recap exactly what you should do. The first thing is you should actually go and create some sort of platform where there is going to be attention on you, whether it's a website, whether it's some sort of, social media content on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, wherever, or whether it's somewhere else, maybe in the real world, who knows. All that matters is that you are cultivating attention on you, and then when people see whatever it is you're talking about, they click on your link, get taken to Amazon, make a purchase, and you get a commission. There is so much opportunity right now as an Amazon affiliate marketer, and although it isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, this is a great way to monetize what you've already started to do in cultivating that attention on you. Just make sure, remember the golden rule, that once you create your account, you have to make 3 real qualifying purchases. And by qualifying purchases, I mean somebody clicks on your link and makes a purchase on Amazon within 180 days, or your account will be closed. There is no getting around it. There is no trying to cheat the system. So before you actually get started with Amazon affiliate marketing, make sure that you've cultivated enough attention so that people will actually be interested in buying on Amazon whatever product you happen to be talking about. And there we go. Now you know exactly what you need to do to start earning money passively as an Amazon associate. It's not going to be something that absolutely explodes and makes you a millionaire overnight. But if you promote the products in the right way and consistently generate traffic and eyes to whatever your content is, and you get people clicking on those links, then it is a very profitable way to monetize the audience that you already have. And with the current bonuses that they have on right now, especially for Amazon Haul, they are capitalizing on short form media like never before. It is a great opportunity for especially short form creators to go and earn passive income just promoting the products that they already use every single day. Maybe even ordered from Amazon in the past. You can promote products that you already have. It's as simple as that. And there we go. I wish you the best of luck in your first 3 Amazon sales, because once that happens, well, the sky is the limit. As always, thank you so much for watching. My name is Josh, and I'll see you in the next one.